Hi guys, this is Meenakshi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will learn to make paper quilling bookmark. For that, we need paper strips of size 3 mm and we'll be making coils first. So what I'll do is, I'll be making tight coils and loose coils of the colors like yellow, pink, green and white which I need for the bookmark, and then later in the video we'll show you how to create different shapes using these coils. This is the first tight coil which I have made of yellow color and will secure it using the glue, and this is how it looks. Here I am showing how to make the loose coil using a pink color strip. First shape which I am creating here is using this pink tight coil, and we need to press it from one side to make a teardrop shape. This is how it looks. For the second shape, I am using this green tight coil and pressing it from both the ends to create a small leaf shape. For the third shape, I have picked this white loose coil and will press it from one end again to create a teardrop shape. For the next shape, I am taking the green color loose coil and pressing it from both the ends to make a leaf shape first, then twisting it from top and bottom in opposite direction to create a bended leaf. For the last shape, I have taken the pink loose coil and making a curved semicircle shape, and will make one more of the same shape. Here I am joining them together and will wrap a red strip around to make a beautiful flower petal. Now I am taking these two paper strips and will be pasting the shapes we created onto it to make our bookmark. bookmark has turned out really beautiful. Please do let me know in the comment box what do you think of this bookmark and about the video overall, as that will help us to improve and motivate to come up with more ideas. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.